Chakravarti, and I'm going to be showing you how to find the pollution in bakeries so it can prevent any dangerous breathing problems or illnesses. To help us see how much pollution there is, we're going to use insects and flour. And over here we have our code to program our Arduino and with all our sensors on it to see how much pollution there is. On our Arduino, we've got this special board made by my teacher, Ruhi, and we've got all our different sensors. We've got our pollution sensor over here, and we've got our OLED. To add some extra bang so we can know if it's over a certain limit or not, we've got buzzers and LEDs. When the pollution is over 300, the buzzer will buzz really loudly and the LED will change to red. Now let's demonstrate this and see how it works. So let's put the insect, and now you can see over here on the OLED, it's now gone up all the way up to 700. Let's just wait for this to. Ooh. You can see this is very effective. Now let's try with some flour. It's not gone as high as the insect has, but it's gone all the way up to 320. Now you can see how this effectively shows when there's a certain limit of pollution to prevent anything serious happening in these bakeries. Thank you, bye-bye.